These are 5 insane YouTube automation channels that you should start in 2022. After watching this video, you can build yourself a $10,000 a month YouTube automation channel while not even showing your face. Now listen, without a doubt, I know for a fact that after watching this video, you have the potential to build a 6-figure YouTube channel. The reason I say that is because I've done this myself, and I'm currently actually running multiple 6-figure YouTube automation channels. These are channels where I'm not on camera, I don't show my face, but I outsourced the video production and then run that channel as a business. I've gone on to make hundreds of thousands of dollars with the type of channels that I'm about to share with you right now. So, if you're watching this video and you're going to take action on this, I know for a fact that some of you will end up making $10,000 a month with one of these channels. So let's dive into them. Channel number 1 is Magnets Media, which is a business documentary channel that is simply creating videos, and these are very high quality videos, which is really important here, about specific type of businesses. For example, their last video, Airbnb should not be successful. So this is going to be a documentary video about Airbnb. They've probably broken down their entire business model, and because of that, they're going to attract a specific type of audience. Now remember, we're doing $10,000 a month channels here. This channel itself is within the business niche. Now within a niche like that, you can get an insanely high CPM because of the people that you're attracting to those videos. Now if I simply click on this video right here, you'll see that there is no one showing his or her face. This is all edited footage, which will either be stock footage, clips from Instagram, from celebrities, stuff like that, or in this case, more like post-production type of stuff. As you can see, this is looking really high quality, which is definitely a good thing because nowadays we're still in the early days of YouTube automation. But if you're going to be able to build up a channel like this where the content is going to be really high quality, trust me, you're going to be off to a great start. So you can see that this channel itself here is pulling 2 million views in the last 30 days. Now that itself is already a respectable amount of views. However, you could be like, yes, Yuri, I know, but I've heard that YouTubers make like $1, maybe $2 per 1,000 views. So this channel is only making 1K or 2K a day. Now, even though you may be right with that, this type of YouTube channel will get a CPM, or an RPM, I should say, which is the exact amount of money that you'll make per 1,000 views of $10 or even $20. Meaning that if you take a look at this 2 million view count, that will result in either 20K, or if you're really lucky, even between 30 and 40K dollars with just the ads from these videos. Now that is not it yet, because with these channels, you also get brand deals. This channel right there is a really good channel for that because they're in the business niche. Now once again, the more money within an industry, the more money you'll get paid for the ads, but also for brand deals. So there will be companies that will reach out to Magnets Media to include their specific product, whatever that may be, in their videos, and for that, they're gonna get paid a lot of money. Channel number 2 is Based Zeus. Now this channel is within the men's improvement niche. So these videos, as we can see right here, are about dating and improving yourself as a man. Now that right there is once again a very upcoming niche because on TikTok, Instagram, you'll see all of these content creators. You've probably seen Andrew Tate, you've seen guys like that, right? Even Hamza, which is a personal creator, talk about how you can improve yourself as a man to either make more money, build muscle, get better women, stuff like that. That type of channel as of right now is really up and coming. The views in these niches are going up like crazy, and there's a reason for it. These days, men really have to build themselves up to get the women they want, to make the money they want, because the competition is getting bigger and bigger, whereas the lifestyle, or kind of like the way you roll into that, is getting sadder and sadder, because with TikTok and all of these things, a lot of men are kind of like on a downwards trend, if we're gonna be honest, right? So these channels are doing extremely well. They'll see people on Instagram get really beautiful girls, make a lot of money, stuff like that. A lot of men want that because if you go down into human nature, that is kind of what men want. It's either status, which you can get through money, or the women that you get, stuff like that. So these channels are really up and coming. If we take a look at the videos that this channel is making, you can see that this is really like animation based. There's no one showing his or her face, and because of that, this is a perfect YouTube automation channel example. Now you may be wondering, how many views is this channel getting? As of right now, it's about 500,000 views per month, which is definitely pretty decent. And you would say still, like, yeah, but from the ads, that channel is not going to make an insane amount of money. And you're right about that. However, because this is within the men's improvement niche, you can sell a lot of products on the back end. And if we then take a look here and we go into the description of this channel, you'll be amazed by how many links are in the description. All of these links right here will direct you to a product, and every single time that person buys a product, this channel is going to make money. Whether it would be from affiliate marketing or his own products, it's going to be a lot of money, which at the end of the day will definitely result in over $10,000 per month. In fact, I'd be willing to say that this channel, especially over the last couple of years, has been making multiple six figures every single year from just this channel alone, which is pretty insane. Then we've got channel number 3, which is Animal Wise. Now this channel is within the animal niche. Now you would say, yeah, that's a funny niche, this and that. Yes, it is. If you take a look at the videos, you'll see, can two cats share the same litter? How to socialize a puppy with people. So you can see that these are videos related to animals. Mostly is going to be cats and dogs, and there's a reason for that. So if you think about which animals people have as pets, it's probably going to be either a cat or a dog. And because of that, you can sell products to those pet owners. If you would make videos about, say, lions and stuff like that, yes, that would be very cool, but there's no way to sell products in the back end of that. So even though with those animals, you can get a lot of views. Trust me, lions and tigers and stuff like that will get way more views, but if you think about how you can monetize it, selling products in the back end is probably going to be much better. And with a channel like this, once again, you're going to get a pretty decent amount of views. As you can see, 1.3 million in just the last month. Now, if we go down on their social blade, you can see that in some months, they were getting 4.4 million views or 2.7 million views, which is pretty insane. So just from the AdSense alone, that is going to be a couple $1,000s. But then once again, if you take a look at their videos, these are aimed towards pet owners because these are the type of people that will watch these videos. And if you then go into the description, you can see that they are using articles, they are selling products in the back end. So if you do affiliate marketing on a channel like this, you're going to end up making more and more money, not just from the AdSense, but also from selling products. And I'm a big believer in that because you'll see a lot of people talk about YouTube automation and cash cow channels, but they only talk about the CPM and the amount of views, which yes, is a great indication of how much money you can make, but if you build it up as an actual business, which is exactly what I like to do, you're also going to sell products in the back end, and with the animal niche, that is a great way to do it. Next up, we've got a channel that is called This Happened. Now this channel is within the gossip niche. Now this is a perfect example for a cash cow channel that will stay around for a long time. Reason being is, people like to gossip. Your mother or friends, whoever, you probably know someone that likes to gossip. And because of that, people are really interested in watching these videos. Let's say that you're watching a video about how someone is fucking up their life, right? You're probably going to enjoy it because you'll feel like you're doing much better in life. And that's the only reason that people like this stuff. People like drama because of that reason. And these channels are built based on drama, and that's about it. So if we take a look at these videos, you'll see Johnny Depp's lawyers release new audio showing Amber Heard planning Johnny's downfall. So you can see how this is getting a ton of views, and over the last couple of months, the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard stuff has been pulling hundreds of millions of views combined, probably even billions if you combine the entire topic on YouTube. Now think about how much money that made. Now if we take a look at the social blade from this channel, you can see 9 million views. If we scroll down even further, you can see that because of the Johnny Depp stuff, like I just said, last month they were getting close to 15 million views. Now imagine getting paid $2 or $3 per 1,000 views, which is very reasonable. You'll make 30 or 40,000 just on the AdSense from these channels. Now with a channel like this, that is mainly where you're going to get your money from, because it's going to be hard to monetize this stuff in the back end. In terms of selling products and stuff like that, you can probably send traffic to blogs or these gossiping articles and make money from there, but in terms of products, that is going to be a little bit harder. However, you can see that from these stats alone, the AdSense revenue, you can make a lot of money with a niche like this. And then last but definitely not least, we've got the tutorial niche. Now this, as some of you may know, is my personal favorite, and this is how I've been able to build up multiple six-figure channels. But this channel is called How To Apps. Now this is extremely simple. If we take a look at their videos, you'll see that they're doing simple screen recording videos. Now the first thing that you'll notice here is that, hey Yuri, so this is faceless, right? But this guy's showing his face. Yes, that's right. But it's not necessary. entry. If we go back to his most popular videos, which is where he's making most of his money from, you'll see that he's not showing his face. It's just screen recording. So the barrier to entry for this channel is extremely low. All you need is a phone. You're probably watching this on your phone, so you'll be ready to go. If you're watching this on PC, that is even better. You can do it on PC as well. So what this channel does, and what a lot of these channels are doing, is that they're screen recording how to solve a specific problem. So for example, you're not sure how to get Snapchat into dark mode. What they'll do, they go to YouTube, type in how to do Snapchat dark mode, blah, blah, blah. They'll end up on this video because it ranks in YouTube search. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know that's exactly what I've been doing over the last couple of years. That's how I've been able to build channels that get over 100 million views in total and made hundreds of thousands of dollars. So what you'll do here is screen record, and you basically show the solution, and that is all you need to do. You do simply commentary over that, and there you go. You're ready to upload the video. Now this is extremely easy to outsource because you only need one person to do it. You need one person that can record, and there you go. So this right there is my personal favorite in terms of starting a cash cow channel that is easy to do, because a lot of people teach you like very complicated stuff, but if you're a beginner, honestly, stuff like this is very easy to get started with. The barrier to entry is really low, and because of that, it makes it really easy to get into YouTube automation as a business model. And there you go. So those were channels that you can start making $10,000 a month. Now it's time for you to do the work and get started with one of them, because if you're just gonna watch this video and then you're gonna just have fun, it's not gonna work out. You're not gonna end up making $10,000 a month. So what I want you to do, watch this video again, closely analyze the niches that I've shown you, pick the one that you like the most, and simply start creating content on that. Now, if you want to see the next episode within this series, please leave a like on the video, subscribe if you enjoyed, and then I'll see you in that next video. You can also click on the end screen card right here to start watching it.